You want to try it for me? Why? Bless you.
Why don't you change the font?
Oh, I will.
I see.
Bro, you ain't too on me.